Implants. Published by WordPress.com. Screws. Device that converts torsion force into longitudinal force. 1. Parts of a screw. Head. Attachment point for a screwdriver, prevents sink in bone. Hexagonal head recess design is most popular due to avoiding slippage of the screwdriver, preventing head distortion, providing better directional control during screw insertion, spreading torque across 6 points of contact. Shaft, shank. Smooth link between the head and the thread. Thread. Spiraled portion that engages with bone. Tip. Types include non-self-tapping, self-tapping, and self-drilling, pointed, non-self-drilling, blunt, corkscrew incannulated cancellous. 2. Definitions. Thread length, length of the threaded portion. Thread diameter, diameter of the thread, outer or major diameter, equals tap. Core diameter, diameter of the unthreaded central shaft, inner or minor diameter, equals drill pit. Screw length, total length from head to tip. Pitch. Distance between adjacent threads. Lead. Distance advanced by the screw in 1 revolution 360 degree. Screw working distance, length. Length of bone traversed by the screw. Bending strength. Proportional to the cube of the inner, minor, diameter. Pull-out strength. Proportional to the square of the outer, major, diameter. Maximized by large outer diameter, fine pitch. 3. Types of screws. Cortical screws. Designed for dense cortical bone, condensed threads. Cancellous screws. Designed for spongy cancellous bone, wide threads. Locking screws. Engage head with a plate to form a rigid construct, preventing screw plate toggle. Functions of screws. Neutralization. Attach plate to bone. Compression. Lag screw. Positional. Attach fragment. Locking for nails. Puller screw. Positional.